Hey, what's going on, peeps? We are staying in Waikiki for the next 3 days? The next 3 nights.
88.8888 hours.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Look, guys. Look, here. I'll get it. That's a necklace. Very nice. Very nice.
Where's our bag? Where's your bags? These are our bags. These are your guys' bags. So we can just see with mom and dad. I know. Happy, right? Happy.
Hold on, guys. You guys can say hi. Let's see. I heart my coat. Slowly.
There's a pool here.
Yeah.
Are we going there to the pool today? Yeah?
We're gonna see later. Okay.
I just don't know what's my bag. Oh, I do. Where am I going? Wait, put my shoe on. How to get out the bed? You want to see? Don't get up there.
Pretzel.
Wipe the bottle first while little wipe. Ooh, a big shot.
What kind do we have here?
What kind of wine do you like? We have Cabernet, we have Pinot Noir, Pinot Grigio.
Yeah, the hook is sharp, so you slide it over, make sure your fingers aren't close to the needle, because you'll get a little cut. You'll be crying. So, and this just stays on the table. It comes off the table.
Birthday girl. Birthday girl. Me too. Good.
And slide it close to this
I think we have 1, 2. I think we have 4 seats here.
Go ahead.
1, 2, 3, 4. 4 seats here. Have a seat. No.
Ready? Push. Right here. Oh, there you go.